commits. What am I looking at? Hello everyone, my name is Glitchy and welcome to Squirrel Stapler, an interactive small game hunting. What interactive small hunting game? Let's hunt. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. We came here to get away from it all, so that our love might blossom, but our love is not blossomed. Look at my beloved, the flies have made her ugly and rotten. I wish she were beautiful, the squirrels of the wood. And so I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood. Is this my wife? Ah, hello wife. Ah yes, you're so beautiful. Oh. No, this is not terrifying at all. Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 1. Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not scable squirrel. You can't tell me what to do. In 5 days, God is coming. Oh, hell yeah. Oh. Ooh. It is time to hunt the squirrels. It is, yeah. Tip of the day, use a map to orient yourself. Oh, this is a big map. Nutty Nate's squirrel hunting tips. Ooh. Poison grass, do not eat. I don't think you can read. Alright, let's go hunting. I guess we'll just follow this path. This squirrel. Did it get it? Did it get the squirrel? Oh shit, I got him! Let's go, boys. We got a squirrel. Another squirrel. I think it saw me. Oh, I gotta reload. Oh, can I get a big view of the map? Come over here. Ooh! On today's geocache. Whoa! Oh, I'm at a red dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I gotta find one each day. Okay, I get it. Oh. Squirrel. I think I got it. Nice. 4 out of 5 squirrels. Let's explore this map. Got infinite stamina, that's good. There's a big question mark in the middle. Oh, what? I'm not surprised that this is a horror game. My wife kind of looks dead. This is just a monolith. That's like the second one, right? I saw one at like the start. Health pack? Why do I need a health pack? Am I gonna get bitten by a squirrel? Ooh. The Lady, Part 1. Once there was a lonely artist who lived by himself in the woods. Desiring to ease his loneliness, he saved his meager earnings and purchased a fine paintbrush crafted from the hair of a beautiful woman. The artist loved his paintbrush so much that he used it to paint the woman who had given her hair for his creation, as he imagined she must look. He was then informed that due to the terrible mix-up from the hair had actually come from a wild boar. Aww. Got your ass. Stay away, squirrels. I am the big mean squirrel man. Is there another question mark out in the corner? Ooh. What is that place? Squirrels can survive from a fall as much as 30 feet and jump up to 20 feet. Ooh. Squirrel blind. That's not creepy. Ooh. Squirrels can eat their body weight in food every week. Huh. Where am I? Oh, I'm up here now. That's cool. Oh, it's pages. Alright. Report 1. Nothing of note to report. Some marginal abnormalities. Oh my. Readings that went away once I recalibrated. Some odd noises during the night, probably squirrels overall. Overall, everything's pretty quiet. Come back tomorrow. Okay. This is head back. Alright, we're going back. Woo! We can go inside. I'm gonna read this. Every day can commit sins at the Shady Shack to boost your score. Commit sins. Oh, Jesus! No. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Oh my god, home. Alright. Let's get back into my beautiful home. Oh, okay, that's totally fine. I can already smell my beautiful wife. Beautiful. Now we sleep. What? Okay. Hello, my wife. Oh, you look so wonderful with your new squirrels. Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 2. For the bushy tail is righteous in the All-Mother's sight, and this chattering voice divine. Should that which is divine be heard to that which is not divine? By no means. Okay. You listen to the big squirrel. Oh. Used to call to track and lure big squirrels. Alright, we got that thing to do. Up in the top right corner of the map. Okay. Who was that? I think I got it. Oh, fuck yeah, dead meat. Just for me. Soda. Oh, double speed. Oh, we found it. Cool. Ooh, a note. In 2007, 14 squirrels were arrested in Iran. What did they do? Hello, squirrel. Oh, I'm just as fast as you now. The squirrel shed. Oh yeah, we gotta commit sins. Fucking. I still wasn't ready for it. Oh, we're fucking staying away from that. Oh, hell no. Nuh-uh. I really hope that isn't the big squirrel. Report 2. Small abnormal readings still occur with the odd regularity. Recalibrating always fixes them, but they always come back the next day. I also keep finding dead squirrels outside my door. Looks like maybe an animal is leaving them, but I'm noting it as per my instruction. Oh, you're not. Go, squirrel! I'm gonna make her a lovely fur coat. Alright. The Lady, Part 2. The artist was inconsolable, and spent his days weeping and taking his portrait on long walks in the rain. On one of these walks, he encountered an old woman who said, "Ah, young man, I can see the reason for your despair. Come with me. For a few pennies," she said, and his treasured painting could be brought to life. The artist was overjoyed and the spell was cast. Only then did he remember that he'd only painted the woman from the waist up. Oh no. Wife? I'll be back soon, honey. Okay, that is a big squirrel. No. I'll get you this time. Fucking stupid ghost. Oh, big squirrel, give me. Come to Papa. Oh, hell yeah. Ooh, the mountain rages of Squirrel Zona. I don't have to kill you. It's still fun. Okay, with soda. Let's do this! Ooh, a note. Squirrel note. Although squirrels mostly eat nuts, seeds, and fruit, they have been known to eat insects, bird eggs, and even animal carcasses. Oh, okay. It's a neat little fact. I hope it means that squirrels aren't gonna eat me. Let's go sleep. Where is my wife? Oh, I can already hear her. I don't want squirrels. I want skin. Give me back my skin. Or give me yours instead. Nah, I don't think so. You like the squirrels. Here. Oh, what a lovely fur coat you have. Oh, you look so wonderful. Good night, honey. I can't get over him. Oh, I love you. Mwah, I love you, wife. You kind of smell, though. Another day, another note. Chapter 4, verse 3. Rather like the righteous squirrel, the wise man stores his nuts for the proper time, but the faithless man has no nuts to store. Are you saying if you're castrated, you can't have faith? Or if you don't have faith, you're gonna get castrated? Oh, God. Day 3. Something was scratching on the windows last night. I should look for tracks. Those are not normal squirrel tracks. No shit! Something out there is hunting for me. It's hunting me. Ooh. I don't like that. I'll be honest, I'm not a big fan. Am I just gonna walk into like a literal bear? Oh, this is definitely not the best way to go up. It works though. What the fuck is that? Oh, hell no. The fuck was that? Oh, I have an actual healed over. Oh. The Lady Part 3. The newly created half-woman screamed and wailed, clawing her way in circles around the room as blood poured from the bottom of her torso and entrails flopped around in tangles. The artist sobbed and looked to the old woman, who was examining the pennies she had given her. Unfazed, she caught his gaze, shrugged, and said, I reserve a special spell for these circumstances, and she pointed to an axe mounted on the wall. This little fuck. Did I get him? Don't worry, wife, I'll be back soon. Oh! What the fuck? Oh, that scared the shit out of me. That actually hurt. Oh, that's actually scared the shit out of me. Like my finger hurt from that. Oh. Or 3. There's something in the woods that we didn't expect. I keep finding tracks and I hear it at night, moving through the foliage and scratching on concrete. In the morning, there are squirrels outside the door with their limbs all pulled off and their heads twisted around. Dozens of them, requesting a call for instruction on how to proceed. Oh, soda, you can get back quickly like this. You that bug? Yo, fucking faster. Is that a ghost squirrel? Hell no, ghost squirrel. I'm faster than you, bud. You can't catch me. Oh, and I got another one? Oh yeah, you can't catch me at all, ghost squirrel. Suck my... You can't catch me. Ooh. He almost caught me. Who took my wife? Oh, good morning, wife. Mwah, I love you. Your fur coat is so wondrous, and I love it. Book of the Grove, Chapter 4, Verse 4. In this way, the squirrel is good, and the lobster is bad. Wherefore, squirrels may die, so that squirrels may live, just as lobsters may live, so that lobsters may die. Okay. Lobber, free squirrel, and because we know there's this behind the house. Wait, where are we going? We're going there now. Okay. We're gonna run. And read the squirrel fact. Squirrels are always watching. Okay. Oh, hello, Squirrel. I'm also always watching. Oh, no, 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 no. I got you, buddy. No escape. Squirrels can debone a human male in under 3 hours. Not if I debone them first. Oh, I love being fast. The Lady, Part 4. The artist lifted his axe, tears streaming down his face. The half-woman continued to scream and claw. He brought the axe down, her left arm rolled across the floor, and still she screamed and writhed. Writhed? Ugh. He brought it down again, separating her skull into 2 parts, and somehow she still screamed. Again the axe came down, and again, until she screamed no more. Okay. We got the big one. Yes, that feels good. Also, I'm still not gonna come back. I'm gonna take the energy drink. I'm gonna run. Take this. I'm gonna quit. Oh my god. What? What did that say? It had a name. Is it like Omega Squirrel or some shit? It's in the walls now. In the concrete. Looking for my brain. I can't find it because my brain is inside my skull, but it will. And it will peel away skin and bone to get inside. When my brain is taken, I will come for you. I will break you open. I will take yours instead. I'm in the shadows now. I am seeing you cower. You are already stretched apart into pieces. Your head is already twisted off the spine. I'm pretty sure that's ambience and that I shouldn't worry about it. But I'm still gonna take this and run. And that's exactly what I'm trying to. Oh, I want to run into a tree. Oh, squirrel. I do technically have to kill you, but I don't feel like doing it right now. I'll do it on my way back. Sin time. Oh, he practically ran into me. Oh no, cool. Squirrel claws are sharp enough to tear out your. Okay. I feel slightly paranoid, but that's okay. Did someone move my wife again? I hope not. Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh, you have a head. So pretty. Alright, wife, are you ready? Oh, I love you. Did you sleep well? Oh, you're so pretty. Chapter 4, verse 5. And I say unto you, in those final days the groves will bend in agonized worship, and the nuthless man will be judged with his own industrial penetration and godless adhesion, so the stapler will become the staple. Am I gonna die? Am I the nutless man? I have nuts. God is coming today. Yeah, but like, I'm not the nutless man. Did that bear spawn? Is there a bear over here? Squirrel bear? They're called fucking squirrel bears? That's kind of funny. Way around, but it's fine. There are more squirrels than you have bullets, and you made her very, very angry. Who's angry? Is it the mama squirrel you guys talked about? The Lady, Part 5. The artist's ears rang as he turned to the old woman and said, "What is this unspeakable horror you've brought to me? How can I ever escape what has been done here? What penny spell can you cast to conjure good from this?" And the old woman examined the bloody mess and said, "Well, young man, this will make a mighty fine stew." And so they made a stew from their remains, but it was poisoned and they both died. Art will eventually destroy the artist. The end. That was a story. Whoa. She has a sister. That was not terrifying at all. Giant squirrel mode unlocked. Okay. Please disregard every previous reports. Everything. I don't think everything is quiet. So I'll be honest. Right, it's sin time. It's a bear. Oh, God is coming. Prepare to meet God. Well, if I'm correct, God kind of wants to, you know. Ugh. Wife, I'm right outside. Don't worry about me coming back. I'm just gonna sit down on my chair and wait for God. Oh. Guys, I think God is coming. Oh, is he? Oh, that's great. Oh, are you guys saying it for me? Because you know he's gonna love me. Oh, I can't wait for... Oh, God is coming. Oh, God, where are you? Oh, God. God, I've done as you pleased. I gave my wife a beautiful fur coat. God is here. Yo, God. Hello? God? God? God. Where is God? God is here. Oh, what the fuck? Ooh. Oh, all the hairs on my body rose up. Oh, you win. Scoring 9,100. Oh. Well, that was Squirrel Stapler. Oh, why did I have chicken skin everywhere. Oh my God, I can like feel it. Ooh. What? What? Well, that was a great little game made by David Zamansky. I'm sorry, I butchered that. God damn. Giant squirrels mode. I gotta check out giant squirrels mode. Hello, wife. Just let me shoot the big squirrels. Oh, they're big. Oh my God. That is beautiful. That's where I'm gonna leave it for today's video, guys. These Georgia's giant squirrels. This game has been an absolute blast. It's been really fun. Terrifying too. There's probably more secrets that I missed. If I did, please tell me in the comments and I'll come back and see if I can find the rest. But this game is absolutely fantastic.